Given that a is equals to x plus 2y, b is equal to 110, c is equal to 70, d is equal to 5x plus 2y, and ABCD are the interior angles of a parallelogram. So here parallelogram is given. This is the parallelogram, and also given that ABCD are the angles of a parallelogram. So given that a is equals to x plus 2y, b is equals to 110, c is equal to 70, and d is equals to 5x plus 2y. Then ABCD are the interior angles of a parallelogram. Then the value of x plus y is equals to, we have to find the value of x plus y, so that in the parallelogram opposite angles are equal, that is a is equal to c and b is equal to d. So a is equal to c, the value of a is equals to x plus 2y, x plus 2y is equal to 70, and b is equal to d, that is 110 is equals to 5x plus 2y. So these are the equations. Now solving of these two equations. So first I am writing the first equation, x plus 2y is equals to 70, and the second equation is 5x plus 2y is equals to 110. Now subtracting the equations, changing the signs of the second equation. Here plus 2y minus 2y gets cancelled. X minus 5x is equals to minus 4x. Minus 4x is equal to 70 minus 110, that is minus 40. Means x is equals to 10 degrees. So x is equal to 10, x is equal to, we are replacing x is equal to 10 value in the equation, x plus 2y is equal to 70, x plus 2y is equal to 70, x is equal to 10, that is 10 plus 2y is equal to 70, then 2y is equal to 70 minus 10, 60, then y is equal to 60 by 2, 30. Therefore, we want the value of x plus y is equal to 10 plus 30 equals to 40, that's all. Next problem. 2 power 2x plus 2 power x plus 2 minus 4 into 2 cube is equal to 0, then the value of x cube is equals to, the options are 125, 64, 8, 1. So here given equation is 2 power 2x plus 2 power x plus 2 minus 4 into 2 cube is equal to 0. So in the next step we are writing this equation as 2 power 2x plus 2 power x plus 2 is equals to, just writing this term to this side, 4. 4 means 2 square. 2 square into 2 cube, that is 2 power 2x plus 2 power x plus 2 is equals to 2 power 5. We know that a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. So this is 2 power 2 into 2 power 3 is equals to 2 power 2 plus 3, that is 2 power 5. Now simply to get the answer, simply we take the verification. So here the first option is x cube is equals to 125. X cube is equal to 125 means this is 5 cube, then value of x is equals to 5. First we check x is equal to 5 is correct or not, that is replacing x is equal to 5 here, that is 2 power 2 into 5, 10 plus 2 power 5 plus 2, 7 is equals to 2 power 5, which is not correct. 2 power 10 plus 2 power 7, which is not equals to 2 power 5. Now coming to the second option is x cube is equal to 64. 64 means this is 4 cube, that is x is equal to 4. Now replacing x is equal to 4 in this equation, 2 power 2 into 4, 8 plus 2 power 4 plus 2, 6 equals to 2 power 5, which is also not correct. 2 power 8 plus 2 power 6, which is not equal to 2 power 5. Now coming to the third option, x cube is equals to 8. X cube is equal to 8 means this is 2 cube. Then the value of x is equals to 2. Now replacing x is equal to 2 here, 2 power 2 into 2, 4 plus 2 power 2 plus 2, 4 is equals to 2 power 5. Now 2 power 4 value is equal to 16 plus 2 power 4 value is equal to 16. 2 power 5 value is equal to 32, that is 32 equals to 32. Therefore, x is equal to 2 is the correct answer. So, x is equal to 2, then the value of x cube is equals to 8. That is the third option. Next problem, if 3x degrees, 2x plus 7 degrees and 4x minus 16 degrees are angles in a triangle, then sum of any two angles is equals to, the options are 107, 117, 128 and 132. So, given that 3x and 4x minus 16, 2x plus 7 are the angles in a triangle. So angles in a triangle means sum of the three angles is equal to 180 degrees. In a triangle, sum of the three angles is equal to 180. Now what are the angles? First angle is equal to 3x. and the second angle is equal to 2x plus 7, and the third angle is equals to 4x minus 16 is equals to 180. 3x plus 2x, 5x plus 4x, 9x, 7 minus 16, that is 9 minus 9 is equals to 180. That is 9x is equals to 180 plus 9, 189. Then the value of x is equals to 189 by 9 is equals to 21. So value of x is equals to 21. Now what is the first angle? 3x. 3 into 21 is equals to 63. And the second angle 2x plus 7, that is 2 into 21 plus 7 is equals to 42 plus 7 is equals to 49. And the third angle is 4x minus 16. 4 into 21 minus 16, that is 84 minus 16 is equals to 68. Now the question is the sum of the two angles. So first we are adding the first two angles. 63 plus 49 is equals to 112. Next adding the next two values. 49 plus 68. First we are adding 2 angles. Next we are adding 3 angles. 49 plus 68, that is 17. Next we are adding the 1 angles, that is 63 plus 68 is equals to 131. Now here the options are 107, 117, 128, 132. So 117. 117 is the correct answer. That's all. Next problem, if the length, breadth and height of his cuboid are respectively 22 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 8 centimeters, then its total surface area is, the options are 952, 1040, 1156, 1252. So given that length, that is given that length is equal to 22, breadth is equal to 10 and height is equals to 8. Now what is the total surface area of the cuboid? Total surface area is equals to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Now we are replacing the values here. 2 into LB, 22 into 10, 220, plus BH, 10 into 8, 80, plus HL, 22 into 8, that is 176. And this is equals to 2 into 220, 80, 300 into 176, 476. And this is equals to 259. 952. That is the first option. Next problem, one of the factors of the p power 4 minus 256 is, the options are p plus 6 comma p minus 6 comma p square minus 16 comma p square plus 14. So given question is p power 4 minus 256. Now this is taken as p power 4 is equals to p square whole square minus 256 is equal to 16 whole square. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b, which is p square plus 16 into p square minus 16. So p square minus 16 is one factor and p square plus 16 is one factor. So answer is third option, that is p square minus 16. Next problem, area of the circle inscribed in a square of side 28 centimeters is. Area of a circle inscribed in a square of side 28 centimeters is. Now what is the area of the circle inscribed in a square of side 28 centimeters? Given that side of the square is equals to 28. This is the side of the square. Now what is the area of the circle? The circle is inscribed in a square. That is like that. The circle, the total circle is inscribed in a square. Now what is the area of the circle? That is a given question. Now what is the formula for area of the circle? Area of the circle is equals to pi r square. Now we want the r value. So here given that side of the square is equal to 28. So side of the square is nothing but the diameter. So diameter of the circle. So diameter is equal to 28 means radius is equals to half of the value. That is radius is equal to 14. 14 plus 14, 28. So clearly we have that r is equals to 14. Now what is the area? Area formula pi r square. Pi is equals to 22 by 7 into r square. R is equals to 14. So r square is equal to 14 into 14. Now it is cancelled by 2 times. Now this is 44 into 14. Now taking the product here, 44 into 14. 14 4s are 56. 14 4s are 56 plus 5, 61. So answer is equal to 616. 616 that is the last option. 616, that is the last option. Next problem, ABCD is a rhombus and AC, BD are diagonals. If AD is equal to 10 centimeters and AC is equal to 12 centimeters, then length of the diagonal BD is equals to. So given that ABCD is a rhombus and AC, BD are the diagonals. Already we know that in a rhombus the diagonals are AC, BD. Now given that AD is equal to 10. AD is equal to 10 means all sides are equal and each side is equal to 10 centimeters. So all sides are equal. In a rhombus all sides are equal and each side is equal to 10 centimeters. And AC is equal to 12. AC means one diagonal length is given. This is equals to 12. So total length is equal to 12 here. This is the midpoint. So half of the value is equal to 6. 6 comma 6. Total value is equal to 12. This is the midpoint. So half length is equal to 6. Now what is the length of the BD? Now we want to find this value. This is the midpoint. Now I want to find this value. We are taking this point is equals to E. E is the midpoint. Just we want to find this value first. Now clearly from the diagram AED, this is the right angle triangle. So first we take this value is equal to X here. Now here clearly from the diagram we have hypotenuse whole square is equal to side square plus side square. Since it is a right angle triangle, AED is a right angle triangle. So hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. That is 100 is equals to 36 plus x square. Then x square is equals to 100 minus 36 is equals to 64. So x square is equal to 64. Then the value of x is equals to 8. That is this value is equals to 8. So half of the value is equals to 8. Then this value is also equal to 8 since this is the midpoint. So this value is equal to 8 and this value is equal to 8. Therefore length of BD is equals to 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. That is the third option. The length of a rectangular park exceeds its breadth by 17 meters. If the perimeter of the park is equal to 178 meters, then its area is equals to. So given that length of the rectangular park exceeds its breadth by 17 meters. So this is the rectangular park. First we are taking the rectangular park here, and L is equals to length of the rectangle and B is equal to breadth of the rectangle. So given condition is length of the rectangular park, that is L, is equals to exceeds its breadth by 17. That is given that L is equal to B plus 17. Exceeds its breadth by 17. That is L is equal to B plus 17. This is a given condition. And also given that perimeter of the park is equal to 178. Perimeter formula 2 into L plus B. Given that perimeter is equal to 178. That is 2 into L plus B is equal to 178. Then L plus B is equals to, it is cancelled by 89 times. That is L plus B is equals to 89. So already here we have that L is equal to B plus 17. That is B plus 17 plus B is equals to 89. B plus B, 2B is equals to 89 minus 17 is equals to 72. That is 2B is equal to 72. Then the value of B is equal to 36. So this is breadth value. What is the given question? What is its area? So B is equal to 36. Then the value of L is equals to B plus 17. That is B is equal to 36. 36 plus 17, which is equals to 53. So L is equal to 53 and B is equal to 36. Given question area. Area is equals to formula L into B. That is 53 into 36. We are taking the product here. 53 into 36. 53 into 36. 18, 31, 9, 50 is equals to 0, 9, 1908. 1908. 1908. So answer is equal to 1908. That is the third option.